Start.
Friends, today I would like to tell my students about the rights of the accused persons. Liberty is a most important right in a democratic way of life. In a single instance of arrest, the person loses the right of liberty. The moment he is arrested, fears dawn upon him. He has a fear in his heart whether he can at any time be released from the clutches of law. What all he requires is that he has to go out and meet his friends and be in a fresh air. But now, let me tell you, dear friends, what are the rights of the accused persons. Immediately or no sooner a person is arrested, the first right of an arrested person is the right to be informed about the reasons for his arrest. And also, he has a right under Article 22 of the Constitution, which says that he has a right to engage a lawyer of his choice. So the first choice being that the reasons for his arrest is known, is informed to the accused person, and also the right to engage a lawyer of his choice. These two rights are very important for an accused person. Immediately thereafter, the accused person has a right to be produced before a nearest magistrate within 24 hours, excluding the time taken for the journey from the place of the crime to the court. So these three important provisions are contained in Article 22 of the Constitution. And friends, any person who is not produced before the court within a period of 24 hours, it amounts to illegal detention of a person, and then a petition called habeas corpus can be filed directly in the Supreme Court under Article 32 of the Constitution and also under Article 226 of the Honorable High Court of the state where he is located. Apart from this, Article 21, friends, let me tell you that Article 21 gives us the right to life and liberty. No person can be deprived of his personal liberty except according to procedure established by law. That is Article 21. But here, Article 21 also is subject to certain reasonable restrictions that have been included, that have been brought about by the First Amendment to the Constitution way back in the year 1951. As per these amendments, what the important restrictions are? The right to public speech are regulated by not making any adverse comment against the security of the state, friendly nation, friendly rights, and also the sovereign power of the country. If and to maintain public order. So these some 3 or 4 objections. These are 4 limitations are in place that you should not cross the limit. Very famously, a great writer said that the freedom of a person ends at the nose of other person. So these are certain restrictions. The restrictions has to be followed. As I told you in my preceding lecture, that a person when he is arrested, he should be produced within 24 hours before the magistrate. But this rule is not applicable to the persons who are arrested and detained under the preventive detention laws. The preventive detention laws provide that a person can be arrested and detained by the police for a period of 1 year, and for every 3 months under the Coffee Posa Act, that is Conservation of Foreign Exchange and Prevention of Smuggling Act, 3 months, within a period of 3 months, an advisory board consisting of a High Court judge is also constituted to decide whether the accused person has to be released or not. Similarly, friends, I would also like to share one important aspect, that the under section 167 of the CRPC, there is something called remand of a person. As I told you, dear friends, that a person arrested should be produced before the magistrate within 24 hours. But in case the investigation is not completed within a period of 24 hours, then the provision applicable is for offences involving punishment up to 7 years, imprisonment up to 7 years, then the period of remand cannot extend beyond a period of 60 days. That is, after a period of 60 days, within a period of 60 days, if the police fail to file a charge sheet, immediately on the 61st day, the accused person has a right for a statutory bail. Similarly, for offences where it is punishable with death or imprisonment for life, the period for statutory bail is 90 days. That is, after 90 days, even before 90 days, and at the conclusion of the 90 days, if the police fail to file the charge sheet on the 91st day, the accused has a automatic right to get statutory bail. That is called a default clause. Of course, friends, even in such a situation, the sureties have to be furnished to the satisfaction of the honorable court. So these are some of the important rights of the accused person. And some more important rights in short, I would like to tell my friends that the rights of an arrested person includes right to a speedy trial. Every trial that is conducted in the court of law is done in the presence of the accused or his counsel. So these are some, and also right to speedy trial is also one of the important rights as mentioned under Article 21 of the Constitution. So friends, in course of my regular lectures, I'll be telling you some more rights of the accused, as also the every aspect of the criminal justice system, and in my future it will be my future endeavor to highlight the deficiencies that are found in the criminal justice system. Thank you very much for giving me this patient hearing, and if you like this video, please click on the button. Thank you.